This is my snacks, guys, before I go sleep. See that? Oh my god, I'm get very fat. I need to put the cheese. And I have honong and honey and milk. I put in my tea with, oh, then I have sandwich with this. They asked me if I can have what is cuenca in English, like bacon, but I don't want that. I just want this cheese and vegetable, and I have this also. I'm getting fat here. We'll see if I can go home tomorrow, or I hope so, because I don't want to stay here more and getting fat. Eat. It's very, very nice food here. It's luxury. And I don't do anything. It's just sleeping and take my medicine, so I get, yeah, I already take my very special medicine, so now I just get my tablets, a lot of tablets to drink. I will continue later, guys. Now I need to take my snacks. And I forget to film my partner is went here with my other son, 3 years old, but they are left now. They need to go home and take care the other kids home. So we'll see if I can go home tomorrow, else they gonna go visit again. Yeah. So guys, for now I'm listening that news in Sweden, so I don't get very boring. But yeah, I get boring a little bit. I don't want to stay hospital, stay hospital, and I feel like useless when I stay hospital and like that, because then I cannot have my kids. I cannot see them, how they doing, how are they, they're going to school, and I'm not home like that. Not very nice feeling. I don't want to. I love to around them and look at them if they are eating like that. Even I don't often cooking now, because I have my baby. It's just I'm just it's cesarean, like one month and 12 days, so I cannot do so much, but I still want to see them and look at them, what they're doing. And yes, my my partner is doing everything at home, so thanks for that. And I get kind and supportive Sambo for it when it comes to the family. He is very hands-on. Even he is not perfect, but I am satisfied. He is not very perfect, but I feel love, and yeah, our kids is feel love. That is very important, that he love the family. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon again. I will do more videos. Hope I gonna get good. I don't want to be like this sick. Yeah, keep safe everyone, and have a nice day or have a nice evening.